Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making air fryer hamburgers. I made this recipe using a Ninja Foodi air fryer, but you can use any air fryer that you have. One thing, it's important not to stack the burgers because you want the air to circulate properly so that they cook evenly. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.